Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough end of the week on this one, although not terribly rough. It's still respecting one of the areas that I'll talk about here in a second. But let's get that first update made, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting. And that rule says that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened here today. So yesterday in the video, assuming you watch it from Thursday, talked about $50 being that level of resistance, or excuse me, that level of support, and then the price fell below it this morning. And then you can see several times mid-afternoon, price tried to get back up above that level, just couldn't quite do it, behaved as resistance as you would expect, and then from there down it went. So point here being that moving forward into next week, if the price can work itself sideways and then get a move back upwards, the big question mark remains, can the price get up above that $50 mark? So not necessarily can the price get up to it. I mean, that's great if the price can get up there, but there's still that next step of, well, can the price, get up above it and stay up above it? So definitely keep a close eye on that with any sort of attempted bounce. And then if the price can push up through that level, next key level of resistance would be that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, which on my chart currently, we'll just call it valued at $50.50. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, very straightforward right now. It is all about that pink line right there. It's on my chart, denotes the 200-period simple moving average. Current value of that, we'll call it at $48.50. And that's a moving average where even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay up above it. You want to see it act as support, assuming you're along. And that's what that level is being represented right there. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, not the greatest close to the week, but next week is a new week, so we'll see what it has to offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.